Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video is a very brief video, but it'll probably be the most important video you watch today if you're looking to make money with Amazon affiliates, especially if you're struggling with it. If you're interested in making sites that rank and make money via Amazon affiliates, this video will really help you focus, get in line with what you need to do, and not worry about the other stuff that you don't need to do. I'll go in and I'll tell you the three things, and I'll tell you why I believe that truly when you're starting out, or if you're not making that much money with Amazon affiliates, these three things are the only things that you need to worry about, and that's it. Okay. Number one, you need a good niche. Now there's lots of confusion. You see, for these three things, you'll notice that we go down a rabbit hole. Okay, we can go into all different ways of picking a niche. The most simple, effective way of picking a niche for Amazon affiliates to build the site around is number one, a product that is selling very, very well. That's it. Doesn't need to be more complicated than that. Amazon does all the hard work for us. We can look through the categories and we can arrange them via the best selling. So that's the simplest. It doesn't need to be more complicated than that. If you want to make it more complicated and you want to get even quicker results, what you can actually do is go for products that are just about to become red hot. These are like new release products or trending niches or niches, seasonal niches, okay, that you know is just about to become red hot. I'll give you an example. The other week I did a Sonos Beam offer, and that's a red hot product. In fact, let's have a look together so you can see. Sonos Beam. Needs to make sure I'm not a robot. Let's have a look. I might as well do this live. Okay, continue shopping. Okay, Sonos Beam. Here we go. Number one bestseller. And this is going to be launched on July the 17th. I released a pack for this last week, or even the week before I think it was, and if you're ranked for tomorrow or even any time in the next few weeks, you're going to do really, really well. That's already the bestseller and it hasn't even been launched. If you get there and you get there for reviews, so that's an example. Okay, so number one, the niche. Number two, the site itself. I'm not going to spend ages on this. There's many, many different ways of building Amazon affiliate sites. If you're messing about with push button site builders, clicking a button and pre-populating a site with loads of scraped content, you're not going to make any money via SEO. You might get a few sales here and there, but you will not get a site that ranks and makes you money. You just won't, okay? The only way I've found, and I've been teaching this stuff since 2011, just Amazon affiliates, and built hundreds and hundreds of ClickBank affiliate sites, hundreds of Amazon affiliate sites, had over 50 ClickBank products that have all ranked via SEO. I'm telling you that the only way that you get ranked via SEO is having good keyword selection, real content, and good SEO. Okay, so all of your content links through to relevant content, as you can see here, and that's what gets you ranked quickly or quicker, and that's what brings you results. And it's a bit like the gym. The only way that you can actually build results is consistency, not any sort of push button thing or any software. I've never found any in all those years, in over 15 years of working online with SEO. There's no way that you can click and get to the number one of Google, okay? But you can get ranked fairly quickly. In fact, I'll show you. I just wanted to show you a real life example of the sort of these sites. So you can get ranked quickly. This is an article that I did on June the 14th. No backlinks, no fancy stuff, nothing. Okay, just good interlinking between the content and a single review. And here it is on Google. It's currently at page 2, but it will work its way up as I keep on adding content to the site. It will work its way up, because the way you actually get ranked is some of your content will rank, some of it won't. But collectively, if you have a content plan and you've got your product reviews and your keywords that you're targeting, collectively, as all that stuff starts to link together and you're linking back to this content, that's what causes you to rank. Okay, There's no magic bullet, but it doesn't have to take ages either. So that's how you rank. And the third thing is, sort of goes all hand in hand, this stuff. The third thing is tracking. Now the reason I'm showing you this site, this portable power generator site, is it's a site with a little over 10 pieces of content on. It's making sales already, and it's not a huge site. So if you're thinking you need a whacking great big authority site to even make any money, that's not the case. Great product selection or niche selection, good keyword selection, a site that is, I can't stress this enough, it's the most important part, a site that is properly made. If you're just going for any old push button site, or if you're trying to article spin or anything like that, you won't rank, at least not on the search engines, and especially not on Google. If you build a site that's got real content on, good content, interlinking content, doesn't need to be perfect, but backup power for the home, you see that will link through to content about that. Best portable power generator to buy in 2018. You don't have to take my word for it. If you go over to flipper.com and look at some Amazon affiliate sites that are for sale and the ones that are actually selling for any good amount of money, you'll see lots of different themes and so on, but one characteristic amongst them all that you'll see that are the same is they've got good SEO, good content. And if you want to speed up your results, you need to have tracking. So this is Webmaster Tools. I can see where the site's ranking, I can see what I need to improve on, what's doing well, what's not, and what to focus on, so you're not wasting lots of time. Then you need a plan behind it. So that's like the the fourth thing, if you will. I said 3 things, but you need a plan, how much you want to make. And this is the other reason I want to show you this portable power generator one, is it's a very, very competitive niche. So, you know, when you hear people talk about competition and you can't get ranked, it's not the case, okay? If you're sitting on the fence trying to do this stuff, just get going, just do it. Give us the thumbs up if this helped. I hope it did. You don't have to make it all really, really complicated. You don't have to study for years to do this stuff. You just need to consistently be able to do those 3 things. If you can do those 3 things, you're going to make money with Amazon affiliates. I just wanted to throw this out there to help you if you're struggling. Break it down, make it simple. Let me just say this before I go, because I want to give you the most help. The theme you're using, the color of the header, the header 2 tags or header 3 tags, the plugins, the position of the banners, the background color, the ugliness of the site, all of that stuff does not matter if you're sat there not making any money now. So if I said to you, have you made any money from Amazon affiliates, and you're saying, no Chris, I haven't, don't worry about any of that stuff. That's my best advice to you. And just get a site out there and start making some sales, and all that stuff you can then do when you're making sales and have fun with it and build a site up and actually have something that's going to grow and make you a business rather than spinning your wheels. So if you're spinning your wheels, get going consistently, learn how to do those 3 things, and make some money. That's how simple or how difficult it is. Give us a thumbs up if you got something from this, and I will speak to you very, very soon. Cheers, guys.